Hi folks, welcome again to Weekends Warrior channel. Today we've got a new tool purchase. I got myself a Makita battery operated lawnmower. If I showed you how the outdoors looks like, you would probably think that there is something wrong with me. There is probably about 20-30 centimeters of snow outside. But I couldn't stop myself since the offer was very good. The discount was approximately 30% on it, and I was looking at it for some time now. So I finally decided to get it. I bought it on Amazon UK for approximately £125, which was a significant discount from the original 180, if I remember well. Okay, let's have a look what we can find inside it, and I'll get back to you in a moment. So we've got battery cover, grass collecting compartment, the handle, some user manual, and the Makita poster. I had one that came together with the angle grinder. I even framed it and put it on the wall in my workshop. It's quite cool because it shows a whole line of battery operated Makita tools. As I said, some user manuals and the lawnmower, the actual lawnmower. Okay, so after assembly of the handle, this is how it looks like. Okay, let's assemble the rest of it. This is the height adjustment. It has 6 settings from, I believe it was from 25 centimeters up to 75 centimeters. Oh yeah, it's quite easy. So you pull it out from this indentations, and then you push it into the actual or required position. So it gets quite high. So let's have a look again. So this is the lowest position, and then it goes up quite significantly, yeah, for the really high grass. As you can see, it shows 94 decibels for the noise. I will try to recheck it with my smartphone app. It takes two 18-volt batteries. It doesn't matter which amperage it is, as long as it is 18 volts. According to the manufacturer, it should fit. It has this safety key which has to be pushed in for the lawnmower to work. It's very simple construction. This cover is only there to protect the batteries. There is a nice handle here that can be used for transporting the lawnmower. The assembly, probably if I was a little bit more skilled, it would take me less than 2 minutes. It's very simple, straightforward, and easy. The grass container has this little indicator that shows when the container is full of grass. So what I got here are two different batteries of different amperage, and not only that, but also there are different manufacturer. One is original Makita 18 volt 3 amps battery, and the other one is a replacement battery, and it's only 1.5 amps. Okay, let's have a look how simple is the installation of the batteries. So you just push this switch away, you lift the cover. Unfortunately, you have to hold it up for some reason, and then you just slide in the batteries like you would in any other power tool, the battery operated one. You can hear a nice click. It's very simple and smooth, for both of them. Then there is it looks like a battery indicator here, although I'm not sure when the battery status is visible. Let's try switching it on. Hopefully nothing bad happens. It works. So both batteries are in. Two different batteries, two different amperage, and two different supplier, and the lawnmower seems to work okay with them. Okay, let's pull the key out and try to start the lawnmower anyway. No, it doesn't work, so this is a safety key. Okay, taking them out is as simple as pushing them in, press the button.